development of sporangium, development of sporangium. This one also development of sporangium, equisetum development of sporangium. This one asexual reproduction part in plant. Now this one also joining of sporangium initial cell, that is sporangium initial cells. Some involved cell division method. Cell division method involved after that divided so two cell sporangium development. That first protect cell name is called outer cell. That inside formation the cell name is called inner cell. Again in involved cell division method. Cell division method involved after this one also spores mother cells improvement. Spores mother cell is improvement. That spores mother cell again in involved cell division method. Cell division method involved after sporogenous cells development. This one also sporogenous cells development. Again sporogenous cell development complete after again in involved cell division method. Cell division method after that disc like structure in involved sporogonium development. That sporogonium development time in this one also jacket cell that protect part, that spores inside development, many number of spores inside development, that spores outside protect layer form. That protect layer name is called jacket cell. That protect layer name is called jacket cell. That jacket cell inside jacket inside another layer also form, second layer form. That second layer name is called tapetum. That's second layer name is called tapetum. Tapetum inside development of many number of spores. That spores in involved spores development complete after that another mature complete after release in outside. That release in time that in involved meiosis process involved after outside that release in tetrad model applied spores release. That location area tetrad model applied spores release. That tetrad model applied spores release complete after that spores structure. That spores in that spores in involved applied model uninucleates spores development. Uninucleate spores development inner that joining in innermost layer called endospores. Innermost layer name is called endospore. The spores into 4 layers form. Innermost layer name is called endospores. The next layer name is called exospores. Middle layer name is called perispores, and outermost layer name is called epispores. Outermost layer name is called epispores. These are epipores divided in involved after spiral lines into 2 long bands which until maturity remains. Again the development complete after converted spoon like structure. That spoon like structure as that added some elaters. Again that in involved that location area environment factors involved after that elaters bryophyta or diploids spindle like structure form. That diploid spindle like structure in that converted haploid spiral thinkings. These are information of development of sporangiums. That development of sporangiums that converted protothalous gametophytes. Protothalous are gametophytes. Again class in discussed gametophyte or protothalous method.